Hello and welcome to the fourth video of web development. I'm Kenneth
I'm Eric.
and today we'll be covering more HTML elements.
So like Kenneth said, we're learning about more HTML elements today. And the first kind we're going to be learning about is another category called headings. So headings are different to normal text in that, as the name suggests, they're a lot bigger than normal text and they're like the heading for something. So we sometimes use them instead of paragraphs when we want to make text a bit bigger. And they are larger in size and also bolder than normal paragraph text. So that's another thing to keep in mind when you want to use headings. So we use paragraph and heading tags as follows. In order to make a heading element, we have our tags, and inside we put h1, and it ranges all the way from h1 to h6. So you can have h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, like in our example code, and anything you write between the tags shows up as text on the website, which is what we have on the right side. So now Kenneth's got a nice new HTML element to show you guys on top of the headings.
So images are cool and all, but videos are basically just cooler images. In our project, we'll be adding a YouTube video to our website. And these YouTube videos are added using the iframe tag. iframe tag is an inbuilt tag for adding YouTube videos to your website. So we can add a YouTube video as demonstrated in the code below. So opening tag, the HTML element is iframe, and we have a source property with a value, which is the YouTube video link, and a height of whatever you want to set, and a width of whatever you want to set. And that's how we actually include a YouTube video in our website. So, YouTube videos are cool and all that, but what about local videos? What happens if you want to upload your own videos? So, local videos, you need a different tag. That's because iframe only works for YouTube videos. We can add a normal video as follows, but we don't really need this for the website. Similarly to iframe, you just replace iframe with video as the HTML element, and the source is the video name, height again whatever you want, so width again whatever you want. And that's how you add a local video instead of a YouTube video to your website. So now I'll pass you off to Eric, who'll give you another task to do.
Yeah, so, me, being the extremely mean person that I am, have decided to set you guys another task. I know, a lot more work. But now that we've learned about adding videos to our website, let's add this video to our page. So if you click on the link, that should take you to the video that we need to add to our About page. So our link for our YouTube video has to have embed in it, or the video won't play on our website. And that's just like a finicky detail to do with YouTube videos, where you have to have embed, or it just doesn't work on your website. And you can also use this site to add some other properties to your video. So you can make your video player look a bit different, add some borders, shadows, things like that. They're all kind of like mentioned, and there's some examples on there. So you can try to play around with those to make your video player look a bit unique. All right, so go ahead and try to add it in. So we'll show you the answer afterwards. So I trust you guys, 100% to pause the video now, try it yourself, and then you can double check with the answer afterwards. Don't cheat, please. So now that you guys have tried it yourself, your answer should look a little like this, or hopefully exactly like this. So have no fear if you didn't get it. Kenneth will now demonstrate just to make sure you guys get it 100%.
Hello, I'm back again with another demonstration. This time we want to include a YouTube video on our page. So back to our beloved glitch editor, we'll add the code into the root div. So we want to make it iframe because we're importing a YouTube video, and the ID will give it vid. If you want to see more about what this ID, applies to this div, you can go inside style.css. So we'll give it the height 480, width 1024, and the source, I'll just copy it over. And we'll allow you to make the video a full screen. So we'll add that property in as well. And if we go run our code, up at the top, show, and then new window, we should see that we have a video now. Can we play it? I'll be back. So we're back. Ran into a little bit of an issue with the link there, but we're all good. So the final product should look something like this. You should have a video in the center, and you can make a full screen or not. So again, a quick recap. Add the iframe HTML tag inside the div with an ID root, and you should get a result that looks something like this. And make sure the link is correct.
All right, so I hope you guys had fun learning how to add a video to the website with us today. So to recap, today we covered some other kinds of HTML elements like headings and videos, and we implemented a YouTube video into our webpage. So now I'll pass it on to Kenneth, who will introduce to you guys what we'll be doing in the next video.
So next video will be covering a completely new topic. We'll be covering JavaScript. You guys should be excited about it. It's actually quite interesting what we can do with JavaScript, and we'll teach you guys how to dynamically generate HTML elements using JavaScript. So stay keen. That's all for this video. I know it's a short video, but I hope it was interesting. And I'm Kenneth, and
I'm Eric.
we'll see you in the next video.